Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Hive Workload Planning for Resource Management, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin downloading Hive Workload Planning for Resource Management, open your web browser. Navigate to the official Hive website. Once on the home page, look for the Downloads section. Click on the Downloads link to access available software options. In the Downloads section, locate the Hive Workload Planning tool. Ensure that you select the correct version compatible with your operating system. Click on the Download button next to the Workload Planning tool. Wait for the download to complete. Once the download finishes, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the downloaded file, which is typically in a zip format. Right-click on the file and choose Extract to unzip it. After extracting, open the newly created folder. Inside this folder, you will find the installation file. Double-click on the installation file to begin the setup process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Make sure to review any license agreements before proceeding. Choose your preferred installation directory when prompted. Once the installation is complete, open the Hive Workload Planning tool. You may need to configure initial settings based on your resource management needs. Refer to the user manual for detailed instructions on using the tool effectively. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded and installed Hive Workload Planning for Resource Management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restart. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.